Hello, Wellness Watchers. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that affects us all: common household products that could increase our cancer risk. Many of the items we use every day contain harmful chemicals that have been linked to cancer. Understanding these risks and safer alternatives can significantly impact our health and well-being. Let's explore the 15 most common household products that cause cancer, backed by research from reputable institutions. Stay tuned to the end for helpful tips on protecting yourself and your loved ones. Number 1, air fresheners. Air fresheners often contain chemicals like phthalates and formaldehyde, which are known carcinogens. These chemicals can be inhaled and absorbed through the skin, posing significant health risks. Studies published in the Environmental Health Perspectives Journal in 2007 have shown that phthalates can disrupt endocrine function, while formaldehyde is classified as a human carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC. Here are safe alternatives. Use essential oil diffusers or natural air purifiers like indoor plants to freshen your air without harmful chemicals. Always ensure good ventilation and avoid synthetic fragrances. Number 2, cleaning products. Many cleaning products contain chlorine, ammonia, and other harsh chemicals. These can produce toxic fumes and residues, which increase cancer risk upon prolonged exposure. According to a study by the American Journal of Respiratory and Critical Care Medicine in 2017, regular use of cleaning sprays has been linked to an increased risk of lung cancer. Here are safe alternatives. Opt for green cleaning products labeled as non-toxic or make your own using vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. Always use gloves and ensure proper ventilation when cleaning. Number 3, non-stick cookware. Non-stick cookware often contains perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, a chemical linked to various cancers. Research from the Journal of Occupational and Environmental Medicine in 2009 associates perfluorooctanoic acid with an increased risk of kidney and testicular cancer. For safe alternatives, use stainless steel, cast iron, or ceramic cookware as an alternative to non-stick cookware. Avoid overheating non-stick pans to reduce chemical release. Number 4, cosmetics and personal care products. Items such as shampoos, lotions, and makeup can contain parabens, formaldehyde, and other harmful chemicals. A study in the Journal of Applied Toxicology, published in 2004, found parabens in breast tumor tissues, suggesting a link to breast cancer. For safe alternatives, choose products labeled as paraben-free and made from natural ingredients. Always read labels carefully and opt for organic personal care items. Number 5, antiperspirants. Antiperspirants often contain aluminum compounds, which have been linked to breast cancer. The Journal of Inorganic Biochemistry reported in 2007 that aluminum salts can mimic estrogen, potentially increasing breast cancer risk. For safe alternatives, use deodorants that do not contain aluminum or make your own with natural ingredients like coconut oil and baking soda. Avoid applying antiperspirants immediately after shaving. Number 6, plastic food containers. Plastic containers can leach bisphenol A, BPA, into food, a chemical associated with cancer. Studies published in Environmental Health Perspectives in 2010 have linked BPA exposure to breast and prostate cancer. For safe alternatives, store food in glass or stainless steel containers, and avoid heating food in plastic containers. Number 7, pest control products. Insecticides and pesticides often contain carcinogenic chemicals such as permethrin and glyphosate. In 2019, the International Journal of Cancer reported a link between glyphosate and non-Hodgkin lymphoma. For safe alternatives, use natural pest control methods like diatomaceous earth or essential oils. Always follow safety instructions and wear protective gear when handling pesticides. Number 8, dry cleaning chemicals. Perchloroethylene, PARC, a common dry cleaning solvent, is a probable human carcinogen. The National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences in 2007 classified PERC as a likely carcinogen linked to liver and kidney cancer. For safe alternatives, choose dry cleaners that use safer methods or wet cleaning techniques. Always let dry cleaned items air out before bringing them indoors. Number 9, upholstered furniture. Fire retardants used in furniture can contain polybrominated diphenyl ethers, PBDEs, linked to cancer. Studies in the Environmental Health Perspectives in 2008 associate PBDE exposure with thyroid cancer. For safe alternatives, look for furniture labeled as PBDE-free. Vacuum and dust regularly to reduce exposure to these chemicals. Number 10, paints and varnishes. VOCs in paints and varnishes can cause long-term health issues, including cancer. A study published in the Journal of Occupational Medicine and Toxicology in 2012 found that prolonged exposure to VOCs is linked to respiratory cancers. For safe alternatives, use low VOC or VOC-free paints. As a precaution, ensure proper ventilation when painting. Number 11, processed meats. Processed meats contain nitrates and nitrites, which can form carcinogenic nitrosamines. The World Health Organization in 2015 classified processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen linked to colorectal cancer. For safe alternatives, opt for fresh, unprocessed meats and increase your intake of plant-based proteins. As a precaution, limit the consumption of processed meats. Number 12, tap water. Tap water can contain carcinogens like arsenic and chlorine byproducts. The National Cancer Institute in 2010 found a correlation between long-term arsenic exposure and skin cancer. For safe alternatives, use water filters certified to remove carcinogens or drink bottled spring water. As a precaution, check local water quality reports regularly. Number 13, talcum powder. Talcum powder has been linked to ovarian cancer when used in the genital area. A study in the Journal of Epidemiology and Community Health highlighted in 2016 the association between talcum powder and ovarian cancer. For safe alternatives, use cornstarch-based powders. As a precaution, avoid using talcum powder in the genital area. Number 14, laundry detergents. Some detergents contain 1,4-dioxane, a probable human carcinogen. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, has identified 1,4-dioxane as a potential human carcinogen based on animal studies. For safe alternative, choose biodegradable, non-toxic detergents. As a precaution, rinse clothes thoroughly to remove detergent residues. Number 15, lawn care products. Herbicides and fertilizers often contain chemicals like glyphosate linked to cancer. The Journal of the National Cancer Institute reported in 2019 an increased risk of non-Hodgkin lymphoma with glyphosate exposure. For safe alternatives, use organic lawn care products or manual weed removal methods. Always wear protective clothing and avoid application on windy days. There you have it, Wellness Watchers. While this is not an exhaustive list, it contains the most common carcinogenic products we use daily. Precautions. Always handle household chemicals carefully, follow usage instructions, and seek medical advice if you experience any adverse health effects. Thank you, Wellness Watchers, for staying with us through this important discussion on household products that could increase your cancer risk. By becoming aware of these potential dangers and choosing safer alternatives, we can create a healthier environment for ourselves and our families. Remember, it's essential to read labels, opt for natural products, and ensure proper ventilation in your home. If you found this information helpful, please click the thumbs up button, leave us a comment, share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel for more science-based content. Until the next video, stay well.